to another episode of Let's Solve Mathematics. We'll be continuing from our last episode, Geometry and Vectors. In this episode, we'll be looking at some other forms of angles. Number one, adjacent angles on a straight line add up to 180. This means that if we have two angles on a straight line and they are adjacent to each other, the two of them will add up to 180. Means you have an angle like this on the straight line, and it means that the two of them is equal to 180. That is what number one means. Adjacent angles on a straight line add up to 180. Number two, vertically opposite angles are equal. This means that if we have two angles opposite each other, it means A is equal to B. And if we also have two angles this way, and maybe this is X, this is Y, it also means that X here is equal to Y. This means that if A is equal to, let's say, 50 degrees, it also means B is also equal to 50 degrees. That's what it means by saying vertically opposite angles are equal. Now, number three says interior opposite angles add up to 180. That means if we have two parallel lines and then one line crosses the two of them, if we have an angle here and we have an angle here, we also have another angle, we also have an angle here, it means this angle and this angle will add up to 180. It also means that this angle and this angle will also add up to 180. That's what it means by interior opposite angle. It means that this A plus B is equal to 180 degrees, and C plus D, angle C plus D, is also equal to 180. That's what it means by opposite angles add up to 180. Now, the fourth one says alternate angles are equal. Alternate angles are equal. It means that if we have two parallel lines this way and then alternate angles are equal. It means if we have an angle here and an angle here, it means this is equal to this. A is equal to B, that is, this angle is alternate to this angle, and this one is also alternate to this. It means C is also equal to D. Now, the last one says corresponding angles are equal. It also means that if we have an angle, two parallel lines across, and we have an angle here, it is A, it corresponds to this angle, and then this angle also corresponds to this angle. So this and this are corresponding angle, and this angle is corresponding to this. So our A here is equal to B, and then our C is also equal to D. A corresponds to B, C also corresponds to D. It means that if our C here is, let's say, 60 degrees, it also means that D is also equal to 60 degrees. Thank you very much. See you in the next episode.